Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. The wait between Microsoft announcing a new feature and its rollout can be agonizing, especially when it could help your business operations. So, you might be excited to hear Microsoft's announced an optional Windows 11 update. It promises to let you use new features before their general release. But is it too good to be true? Being an early adopter of new software technology can expose you to bugs or other problems that could affect productivity. Our advice? Patience is a virtue. Take it easy. Let someone else test new features and wait until stable versions have rolled out to everyone. It's a slightly slower route forward, but it's a much more robust one. If we can help you be more productive with your existing systems, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.